Good morning, children. This is our SST class. Today we start a new chapter, Chapter 2, The Face of the Earth. In previous chapter, we read and learned about the Earth and solar system. In this class, we will read and learn the face of the Earth. Now, look at your book. The Earth, our home planet, is the third planet in the solar system. It is spherical in shape, means round like a ball. Spherical means round like a ball, and huge in size. It is impossible for us to see the huge planet at one time. Thus, the most suitable way of representing the Earth as a whole is by showing it as a globe. Globe. A globe is a model of the Earth. It is in the shape of a sphere. Sphere means round, like ball. Study carefully the globe in your school. Do you see globe in your school? It is mounted. Mounted means fixed on an axis so that it can be rotated freely. Continents, oceans, and other important features of the Earth's surface are marked on it. Imaginary lines like the equator are also shown on it. Means on globes have many imaginary lines like equator. Globes are usually small in size, so the space available on them is too small to show all the important features of the world. They cannot be used to show detail about villages, towns, roads, railways, etc. Children, globe is small in size, so we cannot see detail about the village, towns, roads, railways, etc. We can also see only one half of the Earth at a time. At any time means on globe we only see half of the Earth in a time. In this regard, map is more useful than the globes. Now we read map. A map is a drawing of the Earth. Maps represent the world or a part of it on a flat surface, such as paper, cloth, plastic, etc. Means map is a drawing of the Earth on flat surface. They are easy to handle. Means maps are easy to handle. They can be folded. Maps can be folded and taken anywhere. They show more details of small areas like towns, districts, etc. Next page. There are different kinds of maps such as wall map, guide map, etc. An atlas is a collection of maps in the form of a book, or atlas is a book of maps. There are physical maps which show natural features such as mountains, plateaus, deserts, plains, rivers, lakes, oceans, etc. There are also political maps which show man-made features such as countries, states, cities, towns, roads, railways, airways, etc. Children, generally we read two types of maps. First, physical maps and political maps. On physical maps, we find natural features, and on political maps, we find man-made features. So today we stop here. Next class we read continents and oceans. Thank you.